Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find templates on ClickUp. So as you can see here, I'm on my team space here under my project one. And in order to find templates, I can easily go ahead and click on add task on the upper right hand side. Then go down to where it says browse template and it's going to take me over to the template center. These are a wide range of different templates that I could actually search for. You can look for task templates, space templates, folder, all different type of templates, right? So let's say I want a task template. I can scroll through here and see something that I might want to use, and I can easily go ahead and add that. So let's say I want event planner checklist. I can go ahead and I can click on this one, and here you can see I can add it. So I can click on that, and you can see that it has created for me within my ClickUp team space view. And that's it, guys. I can go ahead and I can open it now because it has now created it for me. And that's going to basically allow me to use this specific task to do whatever I want in ClickUp. And there you can see that the event planner is added there, guys. And as you can see, guys, that it contains everything that a template requires. I can even see more, and I can scroll down and I can see all the necessary things that is there for me to use within an event planner checklist. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.